Well, I do research on materials engineering using computer modeling of materials to investigate their properties. And then I also do research on heavy metal toxicity and how that relates to autism. I've taught a lot of different classes from undergraduate to graduate level, and always the focus is on trying to help the students increase their understanding, whatever material they're learning, but also make sure that they're motivated to understand why they're learning, why the subject matter is important. So in an introductory materials course, making sure we include examples of where materials are used to improve the quality of lives for people. Everything from solar cells for clean, renewable energy, to catalytic converters to make the air quality better. These are all the sorts of things I like to include in the classes that I teach so that the students really see the wonder and the excitement about the use of materials to make people's lives better in a very real way.
In Jim's case, he's a very special faculty member. He has been able, more than perhaps any other faculty member that I have met in engineering, connect his teaching to problems in society in ways that make students recognize engineering is not something that's sort of the periphery of society, but it's really central to the core, okay, advancing societal problems and really advancing people's well-being. He may see that better than any other faculty in engineering that I have ever met.
Professor Adams always had a deep concern for his students, which was really unparalleled. And I think what sets him apart is that he's a teacher both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. He would always make engineering and science concepts very relevant to us. So we weren't just studying to, study for the test or to pass the exam or to learn, a gas law for the sake of learning a gas law. I think a lot of times we think of engineers or engineering as kind of a cold discipline. It's not very connected to humans and human emotions. But he showed us that engineering is actually an extremely integrated discipline. It heavily affects our lives. I think what I took away from Professor Adams is a sense of engineering ethics, that the inorganic materials that we design can severely affect the biological capacity of our entire human race.